12 to go. 2 full rows. Which one is it? Who's opening, by the way, today? Who's picking an opening?
Me.
You? All right. How do you want to do? You want to pick or you want to do the eyes closed trick? What do you want to do?
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed. All right. Go ahead. Hands off. Oh, close. Which one? Doing it again. All right. You're in. Begin unboxing. Ooh, look at Elfie. Here we go. I love this, right? This is, hang on. Right? We were watching this with the art team when they did their video. Look, I love the way that just pops. All right, let's open it all the way. What's it gonna be? Leia Rare. Now, do we have Leia Rare?
No.
We don't. We don't? Are you sure? Wait, we got... Oh boy, what did I call that? Well, we gotta check our spreadsheet. We have a tracker. Cryptoys tracker. Let's go to Star Wars, everybody. Oh, we do have a rare Leia already.
Oh.
We did.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so let's go and take a look back now real quick. Let's see. Okay, all right, there she is. And back into the backpack.
Wait, do we only have one?
I don't know, that's what I'm going to go check. Let's see. There's the rare Leia. There's the other rare Leia.
Oh.
And legendary Leia. And we didn't open one, right? No. We did not. Okay. We can then.
Which is the lower serial number?
That's what we're going to check for. Rare Leia and rare Leia. Okay, it doesn't much matter, but here you go. All right. Go ahead. Click unwrap. Look at her. She's so tough, right? Look at her. Here's Leia. We can't go in the block yet because we're getting a special Star Wars block just for them, right? So we can't go there yet, coming soon. But there we go. We've got a Leia open and a Leia in the package. 1, 2, what? What do we say?
Go.
1, 2, stock. And
1, 2.
You forgot?
Yeah.
1 to stock and 1 to rock. Right? And then if you get a third one, 1 to...
Keep in the pocket?
Get out of here. That's the stock one. 1 to stock, 1 to rock, and 1 to trade. Right?
Oh.
If we get another rare. Cool. All right. There you go, guys. 11 to go. We'll see you soon.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Bye, everybody.